Active myofascia versus inactive myofascia. The muscles in our body are made of protein fluid that is wrapped in myofascia. If we take out the liquid out of the fascia, it will just spill. Fascia is the biological substance that holds the connective tissue network in our body together. Let's take a closer look into a transverse section of a skeletal muscle. You can see that it is made of muscle fiber bundles. Each bundle of muscle fiber is called a fasciculus and is surrounded by a connective tissue layer called the perimysium. There are more fascias that surround other areas in the muscle. Together, they are defined as myofascia. Myofascia is the connective tissue surrounding each muscle fiber and fiber bundles and the entire muscle. As mentioned, within the myofascia, there is a protein liquid consisting of actin and myosin, called myofibrils. Let's take the protein out of this muscle pocket. We can see how the myofascia holds the muscle together. It is very organized and flexible in a healthy state. Myofascia can be described best as a complete bodysuit that runs from the top of the head down to the toes tip. If we have a closer look at the myofascia, we will notice the matrix that characterized it. It is an imaging of a muscle that contracts and stretches. The fascia of young or active people expresses more often a clear, two-directional lattice orientation of their collagen fiber network. An active tissue has an increased elastic storage capacity. The elastic capacity can be used for running or any movement that involves stretching and immediately contracting a muscle or tendon. On the other hand, lack of exercise has been shown to induce a multi-directional fiber network and a decreased crimp formation. This is how an old or inactive fascia looks like. A common example of inactivity is prolonged sitting. Inactive tissue or lack of movement decreases the elastic storage capacity. The fibers become stuck together and form tissue adhesions. On the left, we see an active fascia during an exercise that combines stretching and contracting of the muscles. On the right, inactive fascia during prolonged sitting in front of the computer. Run, walk, move. We were all born to move. Thank you, Anatomy Trains, for the information.